Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a simple video. We'll be looking at how you can turn 10,000 naira into 1 million and more. All you just need to do is to do these simple activities I'm going to show it to you on Bybit. This activity is an activity that we have been talking about a long time ago, and a lot of people are profiting from it. But before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what do you need to do? All you just need to do is to watch this video carefully, pay attention, and watch the video from the beginning to the end. So all we'll do now is to quickly navigate yourself to your launch pool. If you navigate yourself to your launch pool, this is what you will do. Open the launch pool and look at the opportunity that is available for you. What we're just going to do tonight is strictly staking. Okay, we're going to stake XION and see how much more we can earn in return. So looking at XION in launch pool, what is it all about? It's saying earn tokens by staking crypto on Bybit. The total price pool is here, and it's all worth in USDT. The total project is here. Okay, the total project is 39. The total price pool is 43, over 43, and the total participants are over 3,000. No, sorry, over 3 million. Okay, here you can look at the staking records. Here you can also refer people for the stakings. I'm going to drop my referral link for these very stakings at the descriptive section of my video so that you can use to stake. And you can see the staking is currently here ongoing. Staking period. The staking period is 5th, which is today. Alright, towards to 9th. Okay, the period is currently 3 days. So all you just need to do now is to dive into it as you're seeing it immediately. Dive into it in order for you to make a lot of huge return. Okay, so come over to this place and click on register. Click on register here. What do you have to stake here? All you can have before you can perform on this staking is 3. One is XION itself, the second one is MNT, and the third one is USDT. I always recommend USDT. You know why? Because USDT is a stable coin. Okay, but if you stake MNT or you stake the XION itself, the value might drop before the staking period. So stake USDT is very important. Alright, stake USDT. So I'm going to click on register now. If you click on register now, you will be registered. You have successfully registered for the event. Get ready to stake XION, MNT, USDT to grab a piece of the price pool when the staking begins. Alright, the next thing you just need to do is to click on stake now. If you click on stake now, make sure you have some available USDT on your volume. Alright, and the minimum here is 100 and the maximum here is 2,000. Alright, so make sure you have some volumes. Then you click on I have agreed. Alright, have some volume and do what? And stake. If you stake just for 3 days, then you earn a lot of tokens, a lot of these XION tokens for free. Okay, so I will be stopping here. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning here to the end. and I will see you in my next video. Bye.